Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will walk you through how to verify your Telegram account using a mobile phone number code. So the first thing we need to do is download and install the Telegram app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the application and during the setup, enter your mobile phone number. In here, make sure to include your country code if you are outside the US. Telegram will send a verification code to your phone via SMS and enter the code in the app to verify your account. And now you're all set. And that is how you verify your Telegram account. Sounds easy, right? Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.